welcome back to my channel. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, happy Xmas. How are you guys doing? Hope your Xmas celebration is going well. Guys, you're welcome to my channel. I'm in the kitchen. I'm in my office. Yeah, I'm cooking. Let me show you guys what I'm cooking, because I want to cook stew. I'm already cooking a pepper soup, and the meat is already in the fire. Let me show you guys. So guys, this is my meat. I want to use it and cook stew. Also bagoli poto poto. So this is it. My meat is already boiling. So guys, this is, look at our gas cooker. You know, in my last video, the gas cooker has not arrived. That's why I didn't show you guys, but see it. Do you see the size of the gas? And this is the pot that I bought in that market. Even this kettle and the rack. This is non-stick pot, guys. This one is cooking vest unboxing. Cooking vest unboxing. See the pot. This is the pot. Very beautiful. This is the covers. You know since.
I love this now.
Well. Okay, guys, let me show you guys my pepper soup first. Yeah, this one is cooking vest unboxing. Guys, I'm cooking it outside though. You see my pepper soup? All this carton you are seeing here, I use it to waste the breeze. The breeze is too much. I'm cooking the pepper soup with my big burner. You can see it now. We call it osite. Osite. My pepper soup is boiling. Yeah. And I'm cooking stew inside. Look at it. Can you see it? I use carton to block the breeze. Hi guys. Guys. It has not been easy. I've been cooking and cooking. See, yesterday I didn't post anything because I was so busy. So busy. This Xmas period. This is my pot. Okay, this is the biggest one. This one is the biggest. Do you see the biggest? This one is biggest. This is the second one. And this is the third one. This is the fourth one. Wow, I made a mistake. No. This one can also serve as frying pan. This is the third one. This is actually the third one. Yeah. And this one is the fourth and fifth. This one is fifth. Okay, it's 5 in number. Yeah. And this is the covers. Yeah, I'm going to be arranging it now. That will be off camera, okay? See another set of pot that we bought. Yeah, we also got this set. This one is the smaller ones. This is the smaller ones. This one is 7 in number. Yeah, 7. And this is my frying pan. Like I said before, this is cooking stroke unboxing. This is the frying pan. This is all we got from that market that day. This is it. Then this is the bigger ones. This pot. This one is 4 in number. Yeah. See the biggest one here. This is the biggest one. You see it? It's very big. Wow. The pot is very, very big. The camera is not even showing the size, as in how big it is. The pot is big. Okay, this is it, guys. Guys, this is it. I'm cooking in the kitchen. People has already started coming. People are in the parlor, and me, I'm in the kitchen cooking. So please give the video a thumbs up, okay? Hope you are enjoying the video. Give the video a thumbs up, alright? And continue watching. Thank you so very much. Before the end of the video, make sure you subscribe if you have not, okay? Hey, request for support. Anyway, guys, I will catch up with you guys later, okay? Let's continue cooking.
Body be like a trailer, we no get to break you. When you begin move, to stop am now, wow. Your head to go there to hang, your leg to walk go there hang. Body no dey for argument you, body no one know. When body calling, you must answer. When your body's calling, you must say yes. Nothing where you go tell them, something they hungry up. You must scratch you, body no one know. When your body calling, you must answer. It be like say body want something, you must say yes. Nothing where you go tell them, something they hungry up. You must scratch you, body no one know. This is not a prayer matter, no matter how you pray. If you know settle body, wahala go there, you need some some romance, some ta-ta-ta, some touching. Anyhow we be, body no one know. When body calling, you must answer. When your body's calling, you must say yes. Nothing where you go tell them, something they hungry up. You must scratch you, body no one know. Scratch it, you must answer. Hey. Body calling, you must say yes. Nothing where you go tell them, something they hungry up. You must scratch you, body no one know. When body don't charge you must answer. It's not easy to hold body. You must say yes. Nothing where you go tell them, something they hungry up. You must scratch you, body no one know. Your body wants to be hungry, you must answer. We're opening slowly, you must say yes. Nothing where you go tell them, something they hungry up. You must scratch you, body no one know. Hey, body don't hurt, you must answer. See fire, you must say yes. Desire, nothing.
Our pepper soup ready to be served. I will see you guys later, okay? Guys, my stew is ready. I'm done cooking. This is it. And our pepper soup is also ready. I will now parboil rice. I'll be doing that outside where I cooked. Let me show my food. I'm done cooking the pepper soup and the stew. I will now cook the white rice outside, okay? And I think I will be ending this video here so that it will not be too long, okay? Yeah. If you stayed up to this moment, thank you so very much for watching. Sylvia really appreciate it, okay? Subscribe if you haven't, okay? I'm begging. Then give this video a thumbs up, a big thumbs up. Share me out if you can. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye. Ciao, ciao.